Hello, my name is Meredith Ocampo, and this episode of Eagle Eye on TLCA is brought to you by Luke's Cage. I first asked him what inspired him to teach Tango Flight.
I flew drones in the military, and I did them for the government, so I was just inspired as an instructor for the drones. I felt like I could actually teach kids on how to put these airplanes together.
I then asked, what is Tango Flight?
Tango Flight is where we have students put together an aircraft. It's an RV-12, and there's basic, simple instructions on how to do step-by-step of putting it completely together.
Next, I asked him if he could describe his experience with Tango Flight.
So I've been teaching soldiers how to put things together. We would put our equipment together that actually controlled the drones in the military. So that just correlates to teaching kids how to put a piece of equipment together as far as the airplane pieces and stuff like that using tools.
I followed that up with what is his teaching style.
I like to do a lot of hands-on training, watching the kids just put the planes together and stuff like that. It's kind of exciting just to watch them from not knowing how to do it to actually gaining experience and getting better with it over time.
I also asked him what safety procedures does he emphasize in training.
That everyone is a safety. Everybody, even the students, can call out teachers, or the teacher can call out the mentors or the students. Everybody just got to be safe in the shop. Everybody's got to make sure that they have the iPro. Everybody's doing everything safe, and that they're working in pairs together to do things safely.
In addition to that, I then asked, what does Tango Flight bring to TLCA?
It brings a great program for students to introduce themselves into aviation, to learn about how planes are flown, how they're put together. It just brings more knowledge into the aviation careers.
I proceeded to ask him, how does he handle mistakes and learning challenges?
So when someone makes a mistake in Tango Flight, it's not the end of the world. It actually can be a learning technique. We'll actually show everyone what the mistake was done and how it can be prevented the next time, and actually how to fix the mistake. So making a mistake is not a really big deal in Tango Flight.
I also asked if there were any opportunities for advanced training certifications. Yes,
you could take it. You could go to FAA, you can get your pilot's license, you can continue your training in college. So for instance, I have Hunter Gregory, who's trying to get into one of the military academies. This will actually help him to get into one of those schools.
I then asked him if he had any advice for any potential Tango Flight students who were considering to join.
It's a good way to learn about aviation, learn how planes are put together. It teaches you a lot of basic working skills.
Furthermore, I asked him if he had any student references he could provide.
Okay, so I have Barrett Bradbury. He was actually in my intro into aircraft technology class. He's actually returned this year as a Tango Flight student. I have Hunter Gregory, like I said, who's trying to get into the military academy.
Lastly, I asked if he had anything else to add.
Just that I feel like a lot of students don't really understand what Tango Flight is, so we're just trying to get the word out there that even though you don't know how to work on a plane or you've never done it before, that's what we're here for. We're here to teach you, and like I said, it just teaches you basic skills on aviation, and to maybe see if that's something that you actually want to do later in your life.
And that concludes today's episode of Eagle Eye on TLCA. And we want to give another thanks to Luke's Cage for sponsoring today's episode.